Hello English learners! Welcome to a new video. And today we will go shopping or to do shopping. What's the difference? What's the difference between to go shopping and to do shopping? When I say I like to go shopping, I refer to a leisure activity. I normally go shopping with my friends. So we go to the shopping center, to shopping mall, we wander around, we'll look at some clothes, some items we like. Sometimes we try them on, sometimes we purchase them, sometimes we don't. So to go shopping is fun. When I say I do shopping, I refer to a regular process of buying of items. It's something we do on a regular basis. So when I say I do shopping once a week, that means I do my grocery shopping once a week. You can do shopping twice a week, or you can do shopping twice a month. So what about you? How often do you do your shopping? To do shopping, we need a shopping list. A shopping list is a list with everything we need to buy. To do shopping, we also need a shopping bag. This is a shopping bag. So what is there in the shopping bag? What is there in my shopping bag? Do you want to know what there is in my shopping bag? So let's see. Bread. A loaf of bread. There is a loaf of bread in my shopping bag. Milk. A carton of milk. There is a carton of milk in my shopping bag. Eggs. A dozen of eggs. There is a dozen of eggs in my shopping bag. Butter. A stick of butter. There is a stick of butter in my shopping bag. Potatoes. A kilo of potatoes. There is a kilo of potatoes in my shopping bag. Bananas. A bunch of bananas. There is a bunch of bananas in my shopping bag. Grapes. A cluster of grapes. There is a cluster of grapes in my shopping bag. A chocolate. A bar of chocolate. I love chocolate. There is a bar of chocolate in my shopping bag. Biscuits. A pack of biscuits. There is a pack of biscuits in my shopping bag. Jam. A jar of jam. There is a jar of jam in my shopping bag. Tuna. A can of tuna. There is a can of tuna in my shopping bag. And crisps. A bag of crisps. There is a bag of crisps in my shopping bag. What about you? What is there in your shopping bag? Write down your answers in the comment box.